South Australia, we slacked off.
Yeah, sorry,
Big
South
time.
Australia.
No, we didn't really.
Yeah, we got some videos, but definitely the vlogging has fallen by the wayside, but we're keen to get back into it because we do enjoy it.
We got motivated.
Yeah, today is day one of back on the real vlogs today. So today is actually our last day in South Australia, and we're crossing the border to Victoria this afternoon.
Yep.
So we're
Fingers
around...
crossed.
Well, we're
Fingers crossed.
approved, just
We're
fingers
approved.
crossed we don't get stuck there is the only thing. So yeah, last day in South Australia today, and we are in the Mount Gambier area. There's so many cool things to have a look at around here, so we figured we'd bring you along with us one day in Mount Gambier. So let's go. We just visited the Umpiston sinkhole. I think that's how you pronounce it.
Sorry, we're wrong.
Yeah, probably wrong. That was amazing.
It's incredible.
I've never seen anything like that, except for
That was
maybe
good.
like Bali hotels sort of vibe. Yeah, so now we're off to a couple of blue lakes. Seen photos of them online and they look really cool, but we've got a pretty overcast day today, so might not be quite as bright, but I think they're still going to be pretty cool.
Let's go check them out. Alright, we just had a quick pit stop, coffee time, and then we realised it's actually 5 o'clock.
Yeah, well I think we're going to need it because we've still got one place to check out and cross the border.
Time's gone so quick today. So
and support a local business at the same time.
Support the locals, guys.
It's a win-win.
We're going to head off to the big lake now, Big Blue Lake. It's actually called the Big Blue Lake.
No, I think it's just called the Blue Lake and the other one's called the Little Blue Lake.
Ah, we're going to find out anyway. I'm going the wrong way. Alrighty, that wraps up not only Mount Gambier, but South Australia part of the trip, leg of the trip.
We will have to come back.
Well, yeah, we're coming back. I think we
go to Kangaroo Island and all that sort of thing that we missed, and the Flinders we missed as well.
But yeah, we're definitely coming back. Now we're going to cross over to Victoria and go from there. But yeah, we'll see you there. Don't forget to subscribe and what?
Fucking hell.